Vocabulary practice. In the end. At the end. In the beginning. At the beginning. Give up. At once. Necessarily. Go on. All of a sudden. Due to. In advance. Huge. Keen on. Fond of. Up to. Tremendous. Emphasize. Talk over. Likely to. Unlikely to. Undoubtedly. Unsurprisingly. Unfortunately. Eventually. Figure out. Accustomed to. Used to consequently. Make up with. Furthermore. In spite of despite. At a loss. In any case. At any rate. Remarkable. Crucial. By myself. On my own. In brief. At hand. Call off. Put off. Nevertheless. Worthwhile. Worth. On the whole, by and large. Vocabulary exercises. Thanks to. Due to. Owing to. By myself. On my own. Probably. Perhaps. While. Certainly. Couple. Able. Unable. Finally. Fault. Totally. Realize. Scared. Pregnant. Unbelievable. Unimaginable. Definitely. Completely. By chance. Whole. Entire. Entirely. Instead. Stuff. Tough. At last. Obvious. Obviously. Amazing. Simple. Deserve. Lately.